So, you want to master camera control using a feature similar to Shift Lock in DTI Mobile that is dressed to impress on Roblox? I got you. Many Roblox players in the USA, particularly in games like Dress to Impress, want precise camera control for showcasing outfits. While a dedicated Shift Lock key is for PC on mobile, you achieve a similar focused camera by first checking the main Roblox settings menu, accessed via the Roblox icon for any camera mode options, like follow camera, which keeps the camera more fixed behind your avatar. Within Dress to Impress itself, explore any in-game settings, perhaps a camera icon or options for different view modes that might help. To use it like a pro for precise character facing while moving. Use your left thumb for the movement joystick and your right thumb to actively control the camera view swiping to keep your character oriented exactly where you want to look or pose. This gives you that controlled perspective for lining up great views of your outfits. And that's it.